hackers are finally banned in Brawl Stars. So currently there were appearing more and more hackers in the game. You could see them on top of the global in ranked, on top of the global in ladder, and yeah, lately even under 1000 trophies. So this thing escalated insanely hard, and you could tell that all these hackers were like most of the time playing B, having an aim and dodge script, but finally they are banned and the problem seems to be solved, which means their accounts are banned permanently. So what can I say? These mods were used on PC, finally they are gone, and now it's time for these cheaters to drop back to Mythic again. So don't forget to